We got some garlic, some onion, a lemon, some white wine, some butter here, some heavy cream, and then we have some saffron. So this is one of the most expensive spices in the world. This here is about $12. You don't really use a ton of it, but it is pricey. You're looking for a vibrant red saffron. There's a lot of different qualities and brands out there. I'll put a link below of this one. I would say this one is pretty good. But we're going to make a saffron cream sauce or beurre blanc, however you want to say it. First, we're going to put the butter in the pan, get that melted down. You could buy cheaper saffrons, but you kind of get what you pay for. You can also get cheaper Spanish saffrons, Mexican saffrons, stuff like that. They usually got a lot more yellow to it. It's not as high of quality. Once the butter is melted, we're going to add a couple tablespoons worth of the onion or shallot, whichever you choose. I was not able to get any shallots at the store. They didn't have any, so we're just going to use some sweet onion. And we just want to get this sauteed down for a few minutes. Once it's sauteed up, we're going to add the garlic. And saute it a little bit longer. Next, we're going to add half a cup of white wine. We'll bring this up to a simmer, let it reduce down to about halfway. So here it's reduced down. We're going to go ahead and squeeze the lemon in. I always cut my hands in case there's any seeds. I don't want those to get in my dish. You could also use a juicer if you have one. This one actually didn't have any seeds. Next, we're going to whisk in the heavy cream. We got 1 cup. And then what we want to do is bring this to a simmer and let it slowly reduce. And you do want to stir it often. We're going to go ahead and add some parsley. You can also add some chives if you got those. And it's not necessary, but gives it a nice color. Next, we're going to add the saffron, try to give you a better view with the better light. You don't need a lot of it, just a pinch. I kind of roll it in my fingers just to kind of break it just a little bit. And you'll start seeing the yellow seep off of it. Usually you can tell it's pretty good quality if you get a pretty good color, especially pretty quickly. And we're going to let this finish reducing down. When we come back, you can see where the saffron, the color leached out of it. We're going to add some salt and pepper. Now we got a really pretty yellow cream sauce. Saffron kind of gives it that nice aroma. It's kind of a flowery aroma. It's a little different though. You'd have to try it if you've never had it. Our sauce looks just about ready here. Next, I want to give it a taste test, and we're going to check the thickness. You want it to coat the back of a spoon. So that's a pretty good thickness right there. Do your taste test. Needs just a tad more salt, but there you go. Nice saffron cream sauce. You could use this for a lot of different things, not just fish. Anyway, thank you for stopping by. Subscribe, like, comment below.